Hey wonderful world changers, welcome back to Sparrow Pod where we dream big, flap our ideas and fly towards a better planet. I am your host Umama Patel and today we're going to be talking about SDG 15 Life on Land. I've got some wild leafy friends with me today. Say hi to grade 3 Edisons. Okay, so let's dig in like squirrels in the soil. What is your favorite animal and why should we protect it?
My favorite animal is a cheetah, running around and hopping around. Because the cheetah can also help us by finding food.
Good job.
My favorite animal is an elephant. Elephants are large in size and they have wrinkles like grandpa. Plus, they grow trees and plants by their poop.
Oh, poopy plants.
And vegetables.
Wow, do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
Mummy, I like kittens. They're so cute and they always jump around and hunt the mouses.
Okay, if trees could talk, what do you think they would say to humans?
Hey, hello, do you understand what we are doing? Why are you cutting me? I give you oxygen, fruits, flowers and much more. The earth will die without me and are you doing this?
Okay, imagine you're a squirrel. What's the biggest problem you'd complain about?
The human is stealing my nuts. They are my nuts.
Yes.
Hey, why are you taking my nuts? I want my nuts back. Hey, why? That's again the bad haircut. The human that will have the bad haircut again walking by.
If animals had their own city, what jobs would they have?
Monkey will do gymnastics. Horse will go in the marathon.
Okay.
The cheetah will race the school bus. Dog will sail teddy bears. The turtle wins the race.
Oh.
Elephant will wash clothes. Lions will be police officers and squirrels will sell nuts. Giraffe are taller than us.
Yes, that's true. So, what if Earth had a complaint box? What do you think they would write inside?
Stop disturbing me. I'll help you so much and you're disturbing me. There's too much litter. There's not enough litter.
Okay. Would you rather live in a jungle full of talking parrots or in a desert full of dancing camels?
Desert. I want to go camping. I like talking parrots. They are very cute.
Okay.
I'll go to the jungle full of talking parrots. I'll go to the parrots. Some parrots talk and some parrots don't talk, but they are so. I'll go to the forest because there's water. If there's no water, then we can't drink. How will we survive?
Smart thinking.
I love giraffes a lot because their height is so tall, like my brother. I will go to the jungle and say to parrots so many funny jokes.
Oh, so the parrots will laugh?
Yeah.
Oh.
And the parrots are very funny. They dance and choo. One time in my neighbor's house I was gone, so I saw a parrot. One auntie was doing some mixturing and the parrot was dancing.
Oh, okay. Next question. If you had to swap place with any land animal for one day, who would you be and what's the first thing you would do?
I will be a bear.
Wait.
Then I will go and do fishing. Then I catch fish. Then I eat. Then I sleep. A cheetah. And I will run around searching for food.
Oh.
I will be a black panther. I will eat the meat and I will climb trees.
Oh, Black Panther.
Lions are poisonous.
Oh.
I'll be a squirrel I'll be a squirrel that cleans the place. I will be a cat and I will clean myself.
Yeah,
I will be a.
What animal do you want to be?
I will be giraffe.
Oh.
I will be monkey because monkey is so many cute and monkey's babies is so too cute. And
Wow, cheetah, so fast. And Hasnan, what do you want to be? What animal do you want to be? Cheetah too?
Cheetah.
Wow.
Cheetah is so fast.
Okay. So, do you think trees gossip when wind blows? And what are they whispering about?
There goes a human ridiculous. Ridiculous. There goes a human with a bad haircut. Again. No, don't kill me. I am too young to die.
Okay. So, if you had to create a superhero whose powers was saving land animals, what would their names be and what's their power move?
I will be an Iron Man. Then I help the animals. Then I give water and food.
Wow.
And compost, throw banana peels. They grow into trees instantly. I want to be a
Ooh.
Black Panther, helping all the animals.
Ooh.
I will be a Lady Spider-Man and I will help everyone.
Okay, game time. Real or ridiculous? I will say a statement and you have to figure it out if it's true or just plain silly. Okay? So first one. Sloths are so slow that moss grows on their back.
Yeah!
Wow, guys. Okay. Trees talk to each other using Wi-Fi. Half wrong and half right. They do communicate, but not through Wi-Fi. They communicate through underground fungi. No Wi-Fi needed and no passwords needed. So third one. There is a lizard that can walk on water.
Yes! It is Jesus lizard.
Wow, you nailed it. No floaties needed for the lizard.
Yeah.
Okay, Earth Defenders. It's time to promise what's one thing you will do to protect life on land. Yes?
I would pick up trash from the grounds and water and put them in the trash can. I will buy so that I will grow trees other places.
That's amazing.
I will plant trees and flowers.
Good job.
I will plant my great plant.
Okay.
I will always clean my tree.
Okay. So little steps, leafy dreams. Wow, what a journey from little tiny bugs to big old bears. We've learned that every creature matters, even the little swiggly wiggly ones. So here's what we all should do. We all listeners have to protect our forests, our friends, and our fairy creatures. Post it with hashtag Golden Sparrow Pod and promise in the comments, and we might shout out to you next time. Until then, stay kind, stay wild. From the bugs to the bears, the land needs you there. Bye.
Bye.